Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to remove double quotes from any of the text using UiPath Studio. So for that, let's get started. First of all, I will show you the text box from which we would be reading the text, which is at our desktop, and the name of the file is double quotes testing. And if you see, I have written a text in which I have written hi with a lot of exclamation marks. This is double quote manakor. So this is a text that we would be reading. There would be a double quote in the text as we have it here, and then we would be applying a replace function where we would be replacing this particular double quotes with nothing, or we could also say that we would be removing this. So for that, I'm jumping onto my UiPath Studio. Herein I have created a workflow in which I have read the text file using the read text file activity, and I have given the file name which is at the desktop. After that, I would be printing that out in a message box activity and then replacing the particular double quote with nothing. And as you know, double quote is also represented as character 34. So in the replace function, we would be using char 34, and then we would be having a replace it with nothing or just the double quotes, since there isn't any spaces or nothing. So this would be replaced with emptiness, or you can say it would be replaced out with nothing. And after that, we would be printing out the particular text again in the message box, but this time without the double quotes. So for that, I am running this code and creating a debug activity, debug mode, and toggle breakpoint here, and then running it in the debug mode only. As you can see in the immediate panel, I have also done some kind of a testing here in order to see what is the output and what is character 34, and how before the replace function and after the replace function, how the text looks like. If you see, the first message box has appeared and it has the text, raw text that we have read from the text file, which is double quote manakor. Now I would be clicking on OK, and you can see that the code has been stopped till here, and at this particular point of time we will be seeing what is the output in the str output variable. And as you can see, there is a double quote here, right? And now after the replace function, what is the replace function? Would be str dot replace the character 34 or the double quote, that is chr34, with nothing. So not remove, we would be using replace function. And you can see in the immediate panel that double quote has removed. So we would be stepping into and then printing out the text after the removal of the double quotes. So this is how we can build a code. In order to remove any double quotes, we can use char34, which represents a double quote. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.